Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Now the question is that why you should watch this interview. You should watch this interview if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview to learn from the best ever experiences our interviewees have had. So let's get started. Today's interview we have Ms. Baljeet Kaur Anand with us, the CEO and founder of Fusion Beats. Since 2010, their aim is to create exceptional events and brand experiences. Their creative team offers relevant and extensive experience delivering complete end-to-end event management solution to personal and corporate events. Their services include hall and lawn venue booking, event planning, decoration, catering, sound system and lighting, choreographer and DJ, barat, dhol and ghodi, photographer and cinematographer, makeup and mehendi, car rental, guest coordination, celebrity management, corporate events and product launches. Their wedding related services are couple bride groom entries, mehendi ceremony, wedding home decorations, haldi ceremony, sangeet ceremony, wedding ceremony, reception ceremony, selfie points, welcome girls, brand and ghodi, Varmala and Fete and welcome boats. So let's know more about this multitasking startup from Baljeet herself. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are really grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you, Tanvi. I'm glad to be interviewed by you and SL, and it's a great opportunity to be here on this platform. I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Great. Ma'am, I will request you to please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Sure. Hi, everyone. All the viewers, I am Baljeet Kaur Anand. I am the co-founder of Fusion Beat Events from Nagpur. It's a huge event company. We have been into events since a decade. I'm a public speaker as well, and I'm really going to enjoy this interview.
Yeah, great. So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup in the initial stage?
That's a lovely question, Tanvi. My husband, Kushwant Singh Anand, he was a DJ. Okay. And what he loved, events and parties. And even I was a party person. So I loved, and it was a great match when we got married. So when he used to play, people used to enjoy. And he had this flair of, even if he had to go for DJing, he used to sometimes, arrange balloons for people. These time-sensitive issues where in crisis management, somebody's not coming, he would arrange it for them or set up a backdrop for them or, connect with the laborers and get the work done. So once I was with him at a party and I thought, you always do such stuff and that too for free and create goodwill. Why not turn it into a startup and start our own event company, as we both love doing events and party people. So why not do that? So with that, it became a brainchild of us, and we were growing. And from being a DJ and confining ourselves just to the city, we expanded and grew and worked very hard with very creative and innovative ideas to set up all the equipments and all that we required, and with taking baby steps, it was really difficult, that journey, and taking baby steps, we created a huge company that works pan-India, and that is Fusion Beat Events.
Great. Ma'am, talking about difficulties, I want to know what was the most difficult part in the early stage of the journey?
Difficult part in the early stage, yeah. The difficult part was like Nagpur was that time developing, and we really required, stuff like the power lights and other equipments, the sound systems, the JBL systems, everything being upgraded. Yeah. So getting everything intact. Because kya ho raha tha? Event. What is an event? Event is when your production house comes, when your transportation logistics are harmonized, when your artists are managed, your clients are there. So bringing all together in that frame of time, you are dependent on everybody, right? So communication was a challenge, and bringing everyone together in that frame of time was a challenge. Okay. Yeah, and we overcame it by our communication skills.
Great. So ma'am, as per my knowledge, before a decade also, there were other event management companies out there apart from you. So what was the market gap that you identified before commencement?
See, before commencement, the market gap that we thought was first, quality is what people are looking at. अगर आपको अच्छी सर्विस मिलेगी, अच्छी क्वालिटी मिलेगी, worth of money मिलेगा, तो anybody is going to hire you, right? That was a huge gap, because what happens is there were a lot of delays. When even I wanted to arrange a birthday party for my son, they were like, अगर 5 बजे का टाइम दिया है तो 7 बजे तक अरेंजमेंट नहीं हुआ. There are still people coming in, pouring in, and tensions building up, working under pressure. So all that was there. So that was the huge gap, and we just focused and tapped into that gap. We just wanted to give quality thing on time and with competitive rates. So that is a plus point, and that we did.
Great. So can you explain your business model in detail?
Yeah, see, business model as in such for events is like, as I first also told you, it is having your things in place. हमारा model कैसे work करता है now? But हमको सबसे पहले we have to technologically upgrade ourselves, because now events are happening online. So that was one upgradation we were looking at. Other stuff is like the artists and the workers are not that happy, because artists, they need appreciation, that that connection with the audience. So that was a challenge for us in this time, to create employment, generate that. वो सब एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था, टू चेंज विद द चेंजिंग टाइम्स. तो ये हमारा जो बिजनेस मॉडल है, ये अब कहीं जाके चेंज हो रहा है. पहले तो होता था, we used to coordinate with everybody, our vendors, our clients, and supply what they required. That was what we were looking at. Now with this online, we are sending links to everybody. We are doing live weddings, which is being broadcasted according to their time zone. कि अमेरिका में कोई शादी हो रही है, लंदन में कोई शादी हो रही है, and we are showcasing it from here. So the technical team has upgraded, and the labors and other stuff, they're taking a back seat. And I hope everything goes well after this pandemic is done.
Yeah. Hope the same, ma'am. Ma'am, the next thing I want to know that I have talked to a few people. There are event management companies who only arrange corporate events, or some are there who only arrange events for kids. So I want to know, what exactly products and services do you offer?
Oh, that is a lovely question. We offer everything. We are a big buffet-like stuff. Birthday parties to corporate events to weddings. Anything you name it, Sangeet parties, you name it, public speaking events, and we have it. We do everything. We specialize in weddings. That is our, major focus.
Great. So ma'am, who exactly your target customers are? Like everyone, of course, but still if you want to specify.
That's what I'm saying. If I would like to specify, I love, those colorful clothes and destination weddings. So my customers are the wedding people, those who are all in love and going to get married, and they have that vision. पहले ऐसा होता था कि anybody आपने hire किया, decorator हो गया, you had your caterers and everything set into place. But now we have pre-wedding shoots, post-wedding shoots, then baby shoots, baby shower stuff. So that with that wedding and that being a part of creating memories for all of them, that is my passion. So our target customers are ones who are going to get married. So please get in touch.
Great. I will also ask my viewers to please join and connect to ma'am. Ma'am, my next question is that just now we discussed that there are other people also who do the same work. So I want to know that as a customer, why one should choose your products and services over others?
Absolutely. Good question. Why should others choose us? Because we are time sensitive. We are great at working under pressure. We have a lovely team who caters to you. We have to have a lot of patience, which we are as a company building up. And, we treat every event as our first and last event.
Okay.
Because that is on spot. Once it is done, it is done. There's no retake in that event thing. So we have to follow each and every detail. So that is the reason you should choose us, because we focus on each and every minute detail, micro level, as well as at macro level. We arrange everything depending upon the requirement of the client.
Great. So are there any unique features about your company that just make you stand out from others?
Yeah, the unique features that we have are, as I told you, we have lovely production stuff, and we give exclusive stuff. I don't want to compromise on quality. So जो चीज वहाँ पर जो selfie booth है, हर जगह लगता है, हर party में लगता है. But जो exclusive लगे, जहाँ इंसान enjoy करे. That is one unique feature of us, that we do not go for casual stuff. Other thing, we try to give our customers something add on. आपकी quotation में हम जब आप quotation देते हैं आपके हिसाब से design करते हैं, but we always make it a point that we make our customers happy by adding on something extra special to them. And the third thing is we are open for feedbacks, because we look at improving ourselves, growing, getting better day by day. So these three things make us very, very unique in this in this area, in this field.
Okay. So ma'am, now I want to ask that if not this company, what else you would be doing right now?
अच्छा, ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. इफ नॉट फ्यूजन बीट इवेंट्स, मैं क्या कर रही होती? दैट इज नाइस. बट मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही होती, मैं यही करती. I would have done events only because this is my baby. This company is everything for me. I will do anything and everything for this company to grow. We are already at pan India level. I would like to take this company to an international level. And the other stuff is, I am a public speaker. You can check me out anywhere on social media. So yes, I would have done that. But that also inclusive of the event. Public speaking events, चाहे वो online है चाहे वो offline है. So events is everywhere. दुख का भी event होता है, we are there. Because कितनी बार tents लगती हैं, सब लगता है. So we are a part and parcel of your life. Once as a company, as people, we connect to you, and we love that. We love doing that. Thank you.
Great. Ma'am, as you just mentioned that you work pan India, so of course there is a lot of workforce that is involved in it. So I want to ask that as a job applicant, why one should choose to work with you?
Yeah, as job applicant, देखिए, we give basically a job इंसान क्यों ढूंढता है? For a good paycheck, for a good salary. That is one thing we look at, and otherwise you get a lot of experience out of it. See, minute details पे अगर हमको focus करना है, तो people have to have those who are joining, because when you have the knowledge of the book, yes, it is important, but when you practically work on the field, it is completely different. So there are certain things which you cannot learn through books. You have to practically do it yourself. So you'll get a lot of scope of learning, meeting new people, lot of experience, and that is the reason a job applicant who's looking, and whatever team we keep, we treat them as family. So I guess they should choose us then.
Ma'am, as an event management company, there are multiple services that is involved. As you mentioned, there are sound system, there is the tent building and stuff. So I want to ask that what all are the products and services that you are in daily touch with that helps you to smooth the process of your business?
Yes, for production services, basic जैसे हमको जो bamboos लगते हैं, we need carpets, we need curtains, we need table mats, cake tables, so all that stuff, and cutouts we need for the birthday parties. There are different stuff, right from very small, the chairs, the beds, the covers, all that. We need all that. So we need for those flower big pots, exclusive decorative items, chandeliers, Zoomers, whatever is required, we do that. Natural flower arrangements, artificial flower arrangements. So that all comes into our production house. Then sound systems and DJ, mixer, whatever that is required, that comes into the sound system ka thing. So we have everything, in-house. So that becomes a little easier. We have our own transportation facilities, which eases the logistics of the places. जहाँ कोई नहीं पहुँच पा रहा है, we have a cars and drivers going and getting people. So good network system, good vendors all over India.
Great. So on what parameters do you select your vendors? So is it price, is it quality or convenience? Please elaborate.
3 of them. I like to have it all. All 3 of them. The price is also necessary, important कि आपके vendors आपको competitive price दें, और प्राइस के साथ क्वालिटी भी चाहिए, बिकॉज वी डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन क्वालिटी. एंड दूसरा आप बोल रहे थे, हाँ, कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइसेस, इजी गोइंग, ऑनेस्ट व्हाइल वर्किंग, एंड द बेसिक थिंग इज लाइक बीइंग ऑन टाइम. You cannot spoil somebody's event. So we, respect the vendors, those who help us to meet the needs on time. That is highly respected in this job. And if you're not able to do that or cater to that, kindly say no. I mean, it will be highly appreciated again. कि नहीं, हम ये time तक नहीं दे सकते, provide कर सकते. So we can help you with somebody else or something else. That work ethics would be highly appreciated. in our vendors.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you mentioned, you have completed almost a decade in this business. So, I want to ask that now, what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
See, my recent plans, so immediately is technically upgrading myself. That is one thing that I'm looking at. And long-term plans is, being flexible and making such systems that makes my work easier. So I am more on building systematic planning, promoting digitally. Like SL is such a good platform that is helping us get into that funnels and digital marketing and all that stuff and making our reach more. So I'm looking something at that because times are changing, so we have to change with time. So I'm ready to go to uncomfortable zones that will make life easier, because change is not easy, and if you don't change, you die. So your business has to change with time. So I'm looking at that.
Change should be constant, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So the next thing I want to know, that after so many years, are you now planning to raise external funds? And if not now, then are you planning to do so in near future?
Tanvi, everybody likes money, see. It is like that. And funds are required to run any business. Presently, I'm not looking at funds presently. But yeah, if in future, it depends on what project I'm doing, what event is coming up. Is there any fundraising for any social cause also? There are certain events that happen. There are certain social organizations like Rotaries and JCIs and other people. So yes, we can look at funds also when the time is correct and the project is correct. Yeah, external funding can be looked at. Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, wrapping up this wonderful session, I would love to ask that what is your feedback on Startup Lanes? Also, if you want to thank or appreciate someone from your team or friends and family, then please go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Tanvi, SL Startup Lanes, I'm really grateful for them because I have learned that they are in 150 countries and they're doing such matchmaking of vendors and those who are finding and clients and global ecosystem that has been developed, and they are giving such a nice platform to all the entrepreneurs. It's a great effort and it's highly appreciated. I'm really glad that we got in touch and we are doing this. So thank you, Startup Lanes, for this golden opportunity. I'm really glad. And as far as thanking is concerned, yes, of course, definitely. I am thankful to God first and foremost. And He has always, I was surrounded with very good people all through my life, my teachers, my mentors, my family, my friends. Everybody has been very, very supportive in my journey. Because see, being a woman entrepreneur, it's very difficult to manage home responsibilities, kids' responsibilities, with taking care of your business again, going through your emotional needs. This everything has to fall into place for a woman entrepreneur to work.
Yeah.
Right. So everybody has been really, really supportive. The list is really huge. But first and foremost, I would like to thank my husband. He trusted me. He gave me an opportunity. He's been a solid support and foundation for me. Else, without his support, it wouldn't have been possible. So yeah, I would like to thank him for all this.
Great. Ma'am, also thanks to you. Thank you for your time and for your crucial words. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tanvi, for having me. Thank you, SL team, for having me. And thank you, viewers, for watching. Thank you so much.
Yeah.